We tend to feel a deep sense of peace looking up at a starry night sky. From the safety of Earth, the cosmos looks quiet, still, and inviting. But as this simulation, plunging into absolute darkness, shows, that stillness is an illusion. There are places out there where extreme gravity, lethal radiation, and absolute darkness make human survival impossible for even 1 second. So let us take a hypothetical journey. We are going to teleport to 10 of the most extreme, deadly environments the universe has to offer. Visualizing our immediate destruction in these places is actually the best way to grasp the sheer scale and raw power of cosmic physics. Our first stop, a black hole. The event horizon is the point of no return. Gravity is so powerful, not even light escapes. Crossing it, gravity pulls your feet harder than your head, stretching you into a long, thin stream, a process called spaghettification. Our second stop shifts the danger from gravitational pulling to extreme physical density, the neutron star. To understand how tightly packed these objects are, imagine taking a single teaspoon of matter from a neutron star. On Earth, that spoonful would weigh billions of tons. Simply falling onto its surface means instant death. In these hyper-dense realms, gravity acts as a monster that dismantles the basic structural integrity of matter itself. Stop number 3 is the magnetar, an object possessing a magnetic field so intense it actually warps reality around it. If you teleported near one, the sheer magnetic force would instantly scramble your ship's electronics. Worse, it would literally tear the individual atoms of your body apart. Imagine floating into a completely invisible, silent force field that acts as a subatomic shredder, dissolving you on contact. Locations 4 and 5 introduce a different kind of violence, gamma-ray bursts and supernovas. These represent the most powerful explosive events in the entire cosmos. A gamma-ray burst releases as much energy in a few seconds as our sun will emit in its entire lifetime. If a burst like the one expanding on screen scored a direct hit on Earth, it would instantly strip away our protective ozone layer. These energy monsters prove the universe is an active, violent minefield capable of wiping out entire worlds in seconds. Leaving those explosions behind, we decelerate for stop number 6, the Oort cloud. This is the freezing, lonely, and desolate outer boundary of our own solar system. Moving deeper into the dark, we reach location 7, rogue planets. These are completely sunless worlds that orbit no star, wandering aimlessly in pitch blackness and absolute freezing temperatures. Looking at this 3D map of normal galaxy distribution, we can see the 8th location. That gigantic, empty spherical gap in the center is the Boötes Void. It is a region spanning millions of light years that contains almost entirely nothing. Imagine the severe psychological horror of floating in a space so empty that you wouldn't see a single star for millions of light years in any direction. Exploding stars are deadly, but the sheer emptiness and total sensory deprivation of these cosmic voids present a chilling, entirely different type of terror. Pivoting back toward home, our 9th location proves you don't need to leave our cosmic neighborhood to find deadly extremes. We are teleporting to the core of our own sun. Inside the sun's core, the temperature reaches a staggering 15 million degrees Celsius. The crushing pressure and heat would cause instantaneous vaporization of anything that arrives. Which brings us to our final, shocking 10th location, Sagittarius A star, situated at the exact center of our Milky Way galaxy. This vector map of the Milky Way zooms directly into a dense, swirling accretion disk. This chaotic environment is home to a supermassive black hole smothered in extreme radiation, swirling gas, and fierce gravitational tides. Even our own galactic home revolves around a central core that is completely hostile to all forms of life. While these forces appear purely destructive, they are the only engines capable of forging the universe's building blocks. The same supernovas and stellar cores that would vaporize a human body are the only environments hot enough to create heavy elements, like the iron in your blood and the oxygen in our atmosphere. Looking back at our journey, which of these 10 extreme locations did you find the most uniquely terrifying? Let us know down in the comments. Mapping the most hostile corners of space provides the necessary context for our own presence here. Every discovery in the dark brings the rarity of our quiet corner of the galaxy into sharper focus. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe.